4 ways to access GPT-4 for free. Open all GPT-4 all model is all the rage, but what if you don't want to part with $20 per month to access it? Key takeaways: Microsoft Copilot is great free option for accessing GPT-4, offering unlimited chat and DAL E3 text to image tool. Perplexity AI gives a taste of GPT-4 for free, offering Copilot Mood with a limited question, promising a turbocharged search experience. Merlin Chrome extension provides a limited but free GPT-4 access, offering 102 daily requests or 30 for a GPT-4 question. OpenAI GPT-4 is one of the most popular and capable large language model LLMs. Most people access GPT-4 using a ChatGPT Plus subscription, but this costs $20 per month. But what if you don't want to part with $20 per month? Well, here are 5 ways you can use GPT-4 for free. Microsoft Copilot. Microsoft was one of the first companies to work directly with OpenAI, plowing billions of dollars into the company and its AI search. Accordingly, Microsoft Edge being a chat became one of the first ways to use chat GPT-4 for free, allowing you to create up to 300 chats per day, with each being chat limited to 30 rounds of question. Then on December 1, 2023, Microsoft rebranded Bing Chat to Copilot, dropping the 300 chats per day limit and rolling out Copilot support in many other Microsoft services. Copilot has other bones too. For example, you can use OpenAI DAL E3 text to image tool for free, enabling you to create a highly detailed original image with text input. Copilot Image Creator works similarly to OpenAI tool with some slight differences between the two. Still, you can use it to create unique all image almost instantly. If you want to use GPT-4 for free, Microsoft Copilot is absolutely one of the best option. A Chat GPT Plus subscription is still the overall best option due to its extensive array of features. But if you just have a few questions you want answered, Copilot is the next best option. Second, Perplexity.ai. Perplexity AI is a very promising tool with option to use Chat GPT